Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to restrict the editing and the formatting in your MS Word document. So I have one document over here, but I want to restrict the editing in my document. So what I have to do is I have to go in the review. In review tab here you can see a restrict editing. If you click on the restrict editing, it will show three options over here. First one is the formatting restriction, second one is the editing restriction, and third one is the start enforcement. So first if we select the formatting restriction, then whichever thing you format while creating a document, like in making a bold, italic, changing a font, increasing the font, that will restrict from this formatting restriction. Next one is the editing restriction. If you click over here, so it will allow this type of editing only the there is an option available, the track changes, comment, filling the forms, and no changes. So it will restrict the editing option in your document, so it cannot edit any changes, or it cannot make any changes in your document. Next one is the exception it is going to give you, that is optional one. If you want to give some paragraph for editing inside your document, you can select that paragraph and click OK. Once you click OK, you can see that paragraph gets highlighted over there. So that is the use of exception, and it is optional. If you want to give some paragraph, you can give it. So there are two options, major options. First one is the formatting restriction and another one is the editing restriction. You can give either of them as your restriction. If I want to give only the formatting restriction, I can give only formatting restriction. If I want to give only editing restriction, you can also give the only editing restriction. In that they are giving option that some paragraphs you can choose, so that in that paragraph other people can make a changes. So here in editing restriction they are giving option. If you are giving a no changes, then read only. If you are giving option of comment, then you can comment in that document. Or if you want to give a track changes, that means if it is making some change in your document, you can track that changes. But I am clicking on no changes and read only. So I have selected this paragraph for the editing, so anyone can edit this much portion of my document. And the third step is the start enforcement. For that you have to just click on the yes, start enforcement protection, click on it. You have to give the password for it. Take any password whichever you remember easily. Click OK. Once you click OK, so here if you click on this, it will remove the highlighting portion over here. If you click like this, it will remove the highlighting portion which anyone can edit. So now how the person will know on which portion he has a right to edit? So for that there is an option, find next region I can edit. Click over here and it will show you the region where you can edit. If you click over here, it will automatically highlight that much portion and you can edit it. Now if I want to edit this much portion and if I start doing it, you can see this much portion is not uh, highlighted. That means if I want to make a changes in this portion, then I have to change it from the style only. So I have to select any of these and do the editing portion. So in this way you can create a password protected, through which you can restrict the editing and the formatting in your MS Word document. So once you are done with that, you can stop the protection. For that you have to click on the stop protection, and here you have to type the password which you have created while creating the password protection and click OK. Now you can see every portion over here is allowed to do for editing. So this way you can restrict the editing and the formatting just by using the option which is available in the review, that is restrict editing just by giving a password to your document. Thank you.